guys, it's Macy again, and I have my slime again. It's very soft. You guys should make this kind of slime because it's so soft. I'm so excited for my birthday. By the way, my birthday is on Grandma? On August 6th. What day will it be? Like Monday, Tuesday?
I don't know.
Okay.
Thank you.
See, it's so slimy. It's sticking to my hands. No! I don't want it to fall on the back of my putty. But you guys, I'm happy that we made this. The video, that I made at night, it didn't upload, so you guys, I'm so sorry about that. But no, I made a new video right now. And you guys should go and remember, and the shout out, well, my shout out, are from Jacob. No, Jacob 39, Jacob 33, 29, 2938, 2928 said that, do you love slime? And I said yes. It is, and yes, he is very good. You guys, please, well, I have 3 more shout outs. One from Minecraft Boy 923. He asked, do you like Minecraft? Yes, I do like Minecraft. And also from Mia O'Brien said, Mia O'Brien 223, I think, yeah. Said, do you have friends? Are you in school? No, I am not in school, because why would I be making all this videos? Because it's like in the morning, you guys, right now. Because, yeah, it's in the morning right now, you guys. And my slime, it turns blue for some reason when it comes to the camera. Oh, it just turned blue. It's not actually blue. No. No! It's falling. I need to stick to my hands so much. It got stuck to my pants. Okay. This kind of putty is like awesome, but too much folly. I'm gonna put some back in my balls. Oh, I'll put that back in my balls. Oh, no, it's falling. Okay, I'm only got this one, you guys, because I have so much. Now my putty's getting soft because I've been playing with it. But you guys, yes, I'm going to make a vlog after I make this video. I'm going to upload my video, and then I'm going to make my other video, then upload it, and then I have to make my yoga challenge video. I don't know how much videos I can make in one day. Okay, you guys, make sure to subscribe down below, comment down below, and give a thumbs up. Please subscribe, comment down below, and give a thumbs up. Bye, guys.
Where did she go?